What's all that racket? I wonder who's in the hospital at this time. Why do I hear someone screaming? Hey, human, where are you? Who's screaming?
Huh? Wait, was that someone's voice? Where did that come from? Sounded like it was from downstairs. Let's go back down.
Hey, maybe there wasn't anyone here. I'm just gonna go back down here. Let's go check in the CT scan. I just cleared up my last patient of the day, and I think it's time for me to finally go back home. Okay, let's just go back here, and I think it's officially home time.